Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is give you guys a Cardano update. So I want to get into the price of ADA. I want to talk about where we're at. So right now we are Monday, August 25th of 2025. If you guys get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe. I'm also going to be doing a altcoin video. So I want to give you guys some undervalued cryptos that you could take a look at. So keep in mind, nothing on this episode should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. So guys, again, we are Monday, August 25th, 2025, and the market has seen quite a bit of a pullback. So looking at Bitcoin, we're at 112,000. Let's call it 112.5. Still looking pretty bullish on the macro. If we were to zoom out, things are looking relatively strong, right? So we're post-halving. I think we have a lot more room to go. But right now, you know, we're at a little bit of a lull, right? Not too much excitement. I feel like things are just kind of steady. We're kind of just hanging on. So we're waiting for that next leg up. We definitely want the money printers to go on. That's really what's going to drive up the price. So that is that. Ethereum did well. It seemed like it was pumping just yesterday. This is important because really Ethereum's going to be the first alt to pump, and then the rest will follow. Yeah, this was just yesterday, really. I mean, guys, this thing was at almost $5,000, and had a quick pullback. So Cardano, let's dive right into it. That's what we're here for. We want to talk about Cardano. So what's going on with Cardano's price? Well, quite simply, I mean, Ethereum had that pullback, and you know, ADA hasn't been able to perform, just like most of the other alts. We have not seen really alt season at Euphoria yet. So that's just what's going on. I think it just takes time. September is usually pretty bullish, right? And then you have October, right? October. I think we're going to see a lot of that, right? But right now, Bitcoin just isn't performing the best, right? So I think Bitcoin really needs to have another leg up. Once we see Bitcoin breaking 129, getting into 130, that's when I think alts are just gonna go nuts. But really, I mean, Cardano, it doesn't look like it's going much lower from here. We're probably going to stay around the 80 cent to $1 mark. But once we get past $1 and we really start breaking out, I think things are going to be good. There's just not a lot of talk, not a lot of excitement going on with crypto. I mean, fear and greed were neutral. That's what it feels like right now. You know, we're kind of getting a lot of this back and forth. And really, I think the main thing here is just that things aren't very exciting, right? You know, even if you look at the headlines, there's just not a lot of crazy news. Let's put Cardano on Google. Let's check that out. Yeah, Cardano targeting 150 in September. So people are just waiting, right? Cardano ADA targeting 150 in September, but this 10-cent altcoin is eyeing $5. You know, it just takes time. It just takes time for this. So even looking on the 1 month, it's doing good. 6 month, year. I mean, it feels very annoying right now. But that's just because the price has been kind of, you know, mediocre. So, but yeah, that's what's going on with the price. I think we just need to wait a little bit longer, unfortunately. But that's the HODL phase, right? We're in the HODL phase right now. And, you know, I'm not going to be putting out a lot of videos where it's like, oh, this is the price of Cardano today. And it's been the same. So this is going to be one of the last videos that I do on Cardano being stagnant. Because quite frankly, I'm a little bit tired of it too, just regurgitating the same thing. I want to keep things new and fresh. In fact, I am going to be doing another Ledger Flex video. I have other hardware wallets that were sent to me and more specific content to get out. More importantly, I want to get into opportunities in the space. And, you know, Cardano's fun to talk about, especially when we're either up or down. But in this phase, we're just neutral. So I think this is the accumulation HODL phase. I would not be selling Cardano right now. I would be looking to add, and I would be very patient. Okay, so Cardano, I think, has a lot of potential. It is one of the better blockchains that we will see performing well in the future. So just hang on tight. It doesn't really matter short term what's going on with ADA's price. So guys, if you do have ADA, delegate to the hedge stake pool. We are also doing the 1,000 ADA giveaway. So just follow these steps. I did a video on that on the channel. So if you guys want, go under Crypto Moose, check out how you can participate right here, how to enter the 1,000 ADA giveaway. I recommend that you guys take an opportunity and get in on that. Guys, use code Moose. Pick up something like a Tangem, Trezor, Ledger. Even though with Midnight, we are unable to claim using Tangem or Trezor, which is a little ridiculous. So I thought about making a solo video, but I'll just talk about it right now. I am pretty disappointed. The only thing worse than not being eligible to claim your Night tokens is being eligible to claim your Night tokens and being unable to claim them. So I'm sure a lot of you guys can comment down below, but I'm definitely not impressed with the claiming for Midnight. So right now, there's so many missed opportunities. A lot of you that are using cold storage and you're being responsible with your crypto, you're unable to claim using some of the best hardware wallets in the world. Like, these are the best wallets. And the fact that we're unable to claim because they just rushed it out is kind of ridiculous. And it's taken a long time. So definitely not impressed. It should be much easier. There should be a lot more ways in which you can claim. You guys comment down below that. But that's partly why I wanted to make this video as well, is just kind of do a little moose rant here. So quite honestly, a little pissed off about it. And yeah, like, even if they fix it a week from now, like, what am I going to have to wait a week and just, I don't know. It would be nice if they would have had that set in stone a little bit more. Like, on the upside, I've been using the Ledger Flex. I even added a little image of the moose there, right? Hiking. This wallet is awesome, by the way. It is expensive, but if you guys use the link in the description, you guys do have ways to save a little bit of money. So definitely use the link tree if you guys want. I mean, if you have the money, I would get like one of these colorful ones. The Ledger Flex is sick. It is a flex. So I'm going to be doing a review video. I'm going to take my time on that. I like the display of this device. It's really slick. And right now I'm trying to work on Monero, how to play around with that. So comment down below if you want me to mess around with some privacy tokens. But yeah, man, like, that's the main thing, guys. Just comment down below. Give me your thoughts and opinions. That's really why I'm making this video. A little bit of a vent. You know, things are stagnant, but it's okay, guys. Like, again, we're in the HODL phase. Just keep calm. This is where a lot of people quit in crypto, right? Because it's so difficult to just do nothing, right? Sometimes you have to listen, right? You're meeting somebody for the first time. Don't make it about you. Make it about them. Make the other person feel special, right? That's what we have to do in crypto. We have to listen a little bit, right? Deploy some patience. So that's my message. I have a couple more videos to put out, but you know, as agitated as I am with certain things, I'm working to remain calm. We need to be like water, right? So that being said, guys, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one. I'm still going to pound out these videos, baby.